C-LARs started in 2015. In our early days, we primarily focused on repairing launch and recovery systems or components on such type of equipment, which would include a lot of hydraulic cylinders. We not only do repair and service of this equipment, we also design it in-house, engineer it, manufacture it, assemble it, and test it right here in Texas. Here at C-LARs, we work all across the world, Canada, Antarctica, Africa, Asia, you name it, we'll be there. Because we're in such strenuous industries, we can't afford failures in any of our components. Failures cause downtime, so when we pick our products, we hold them to a very high standard, and CRC has always been able to match that. In early 2018, we had an emergency cylinder repair that had to take place over the weekend, and we were able to contact CRC on a Sunday, get the seals we needed, hot-shotted to the vessel that we were doing the cylinder repair on in a very, very short timeline. CRC was very accommodating to us, and we've continued to grow that relationship some 8 years later.
For us, we've built that long-standing relationship. We value that, we partner with that, and then that gives us an opportunity to work with them, understand their products, and then we can put plans in place to speed things up for them.
And the kind of industry we're in, it's ever-changing, and we don't really have time to sit around and wait that long. So we started working with CRC, and immediately from the beginning, they were quick to pick up the phone and just call if they had questions. We didn't even have to prompt calling them.
Thank you for calling CRC. How may I direct your call?
And typically we have quotes back within an hour, if not 2 hours.
Those seals are going to be what holds the pressure between two sides of that cylinder, which would be the difference between your equipment falling overboard versus slowly being controlled and recovered inboard.
So it's vital that you use the right material, use the correct size, the right profile, because if not, it will bring down a whole project. When those seals don't function, a lot of equipment can go down. So for us, CRC, we understand that, and it's our job to get you the correct seal the quickest way possible.
So I always got the feeling working with CRC that we were very much culturally the same. The attitude and the approach to business and how we conduct ourselves and do business was very much culturally aligned.
CRC brings fast, reliable, dependable services to us. At C-LARs, we're a small mom and pop company, and we value that, and we value working with people who are like us and care about their customer and deliver things when they say they're going to deliver things.